We have to go. The summer season is coming to an end and we need to get moving. We've had a great time in Sicily and seen some amazing things. But now it's time to sail to Malta. We're just getting ready to leave. It's nearly 6 a.m. We'll have a quick cup of coffee. We're just packing up the boat to get out of here in about 10 minutes. So there's a few things I have to do before we leave. I close all these hatches. So the reason for that is it's one less thing to worry about if something goes wrong. Well, the other thing I do is close off the sea cocks, which are holes through the hull to allow water to come in, come out. We have it here in the kitchen, a couple in the bathroom, and of course for flushing the toilet, which comes from seawater. So I've closed off all of those before we leave, just because it's something else we don't have to worry about in case of emergency.
We're on our way to Malta, heading due south, heading for the capital city of Malta. I think it's Valletta. Got about 12 knots from 300 degrees. We're just carrying the code 0, full main at the moment. Sea's coming pretty much on the beam, less than a metre, so that's alright. Smacking along at 8 knots. So we've got 52 nautical miles to go today, so if we did 8 knots all the way, we're going to get there pretty quickly. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully we can keep this speed up. Rather get there sooner rather than later. Weather forecast for the end of the day is it's not bad, but it will pick up a little bit. So we're leaving Italy. It's been a fantastic, bit over 3 months, isn't it?
Nearly 4.
Yeah.
4 months of summer in Italy has been amazing.
Yeah.
It's been so beautiful. I'm going to miss Italy. I have loved Italy.
Yeah. And I was going to say especially Sicily, but we spent a lot of time in Sicily, and it's been beautiful. And we haven't gone around and made sure we've seen absolutely everything. We've just spent some, good time in some good places. We've just got this large ship crossing our bow. I've been tracking for the last probably 15 minutes on AIS. The alarm's going off. Just really tracking the bearing, making sure we're not on a constant bearing and so therefore won't collide, and looking what our closest point of approach is. If we were starting to get close and our CPA was, 0.3 of a nautical mile, maybe like 500 metres, I might radio them to let them know that we can see them, that we're not sitting here on autopilot downstairs having a sleep, and what our intentions are. So and most of the time for me that would be to go across their stern rather than their bow. So, but we never got close enough to this guy, even though he looks pretty close. Just past our closest point of approach, which is 0.35 of the nautical mile. We're about 600 metres or something.
And it's time to put up our Maltese flag. You might think it's weird that I name my flags. Yeah, okay. I don't actually know all the flags. And the name helps. I've also got an up arrow, so I never put it on upside down. But the benefit of having them named is I keep them all in this little pencil case in alphabetical order. I can just flick through and pull out the one I need. So, time for Malta flag.
10.7.
After 4 months in Italy, our Italian flag is looking really sad. I've repaired it a couple of times and you can see it's not even square anymore. I think it's a hexagonal. We're in the Channery a few days ago. They had flags. Look at the difference. So we bought ourselves a new one. And if you're wondering why, this with the emblem in the middle is their ensign. And apparently we can use either as a courtesy, and they didn't have any more of the normal national flag. They only had their ensign, so we're going to nice one. We'll save this for next year when we come back to this. Jed, how do you feel?
Quite emotional actually. It's epic sail. Just a load of fun. A bit nerve-wracking at the end, but you know, I really trust the boat, and I know we're going to do it. And I know coming into harbours like this, you get the bounce off the wall, and you know, it's a bit chaotic, and you get inside the harbour, and it's like. And then to come in here and see this, it's just out. It's the most amazing place I've ever sailed into. Wow.
It's not a pizza oven, is it?
It looks like a pizza.